Which country adopted the euro in 2026?
Bulgaria.
Who became the first Muslim and Asian American mayor of New York City?
Mandani.
What major space mission will NASA launch in early 2026?
Artemis.
Which country backed India on Russian oil at a recent dialogue?
Poland.
What new digital project expanded to 5,000 gram panchayat?
Bharatnet.
Which summit has rescheduled to avoid a clash with a major event?
G7.
Who is visited India on January 12, 13, 2026?
Mercer, German Chancellor.
Currency of Japan?
Yen.
India's first semiconductor fabrication plant state where located?
Gujarat.
Enough.